All right, guys, we're gonna go through some exercises we can do at home. We'll put this as part of a series, so check out the other videos, but pretty much all you're gonna need is a mini band. These things are probably my favorite tool out of everything. All the fancy stuff, kettlebells, club bells, sandbags, whatever. This is my favorite tool. All right, failing that, you don't have one of those, little hand towel. All right, we'll put together a nice little workout. We're gonna start with a banded hinge, okay? So what we're really looking to do here is train the entire posterior chain, so that's the back of the body, all right? I want you to start with the band around your forearm, okay? And what you're thinking about is trying to pull your forearms apart, pull your wrists apart, but at the same time, trying to touch your elbows together. If you think about the other way around, the band is going to slip forward, and we're just going to use the anterior aspect of the shoulder, the front of the shoulder. Everything is just going to collapse inwards. So we're looking for more extension. And what's going to help with that extension and external rotation of the shoulders is trying to bring those elbows together and push the forearms apart. This is hard enough in itself. If we want to just stay here and work that upper back, just getting used to the position, then go for it. If we feel like progressing, we can start to bring it into a hinge. So with our hinge work, we're going for maximum hip flexion. So we're looking to bend the hips as much as we can. Minimum knee flexion. Right here, I'm feeling my hamstrings, I'm feeling my calves, feeling my upper back working nice and hard. Now we can progress this by starting to push the hands out over the head, not letting those elbows come together. Sorry, not letting those wrists come together. I don't want to compensate by bending at the wrists, and I really want you to check in on that. So oftentimes, we'll press out, and the wrists will try and do the work that we're trying to do with the forearms, with the upper back. The wrists will try and compensate for the upper back. So again, watching from the front, hips back, push the fingers away, working really hard through that upper back, and then I'm pulling the thumbs back to the armpit. Okay, that's a variation with the band. Whew. And it is hard. Now, if we don't have a band, small little hand towel, what we can do is just try and break the hand towel. Try and pull it apart as hard as you can. I'm really squeezing here, and then the exact same motion. I sit into my hinge and then press all the way out. I'm trying to make sure as I press, my shoulders aren't hiking up by my ears. I really want to focus on keeping the width of my collarbone. So as I'm sending my hips back, I'm thinking really proud with my chest, but I'm pulling my ribs together. I don't want to overextend. Keep pulling on the towel, and then pull the thumbs back to the armpits. We can also try going with the hands prone, so your palm of your hands are facing down towards the floor. Okay, absolutely super one for the upper back, but we are going to be training that hinge pattern in total, so all of the posterior chain, all of the back of the body. All right.